First of all, open Roblox in your favorite browser. Then go to Create. In Creator Studio, in the left-hand menu, select Store. And here you have to select Plugins. And here you find Roblox plugins for your Roblox Studio. You can easily download any of them from here, or you can use this search plugins box to find out a specific plugin to add to your inventory. Let's pick this one for example, and then I'm clicking on Get Plugin, and we can see the plugin has been added to my inventory. It's been the plugin installed. Now let's see how to use this plugin in Roblox Studio. So we can see the plugin name is Building Tools by F3X. Now I'm going to my Roblox Studio and opening my experience. From Roblox Studio, enable Toolbox. In here, select Inventory, then click this drop down and select My Plugins. And here you will find all your installed or added plugins. So we can see the plugin name is Building Tools. So here we can see the plugin showing Building Tools by F3X. Now click the plugin and click on Install, and the plugin will activate in your experience.